Unlocking the mystery, adjusting the tailpiece. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, adjust the tailpiece. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a language learner, or simply curious, understanding this phrase can add an interesting layer to your English vocabulary. So, let's explore what it means, where it's used, and how you can apply it in everyday conversation. The phrase, adjust the tailpiece, is primarily used in the context of musical instruments, especially string instruments like violins, cellos, and guitars. The tailpiece is a component at the end of the instrument that anchors the strings, providing tension and stability. When someone adjusts the tailpiece, they are fine-tuning the instrument's setup to enhance sound quality, playability, or both. But beyond the literal meaning, adjust the tailpiece can also serve as a metaphor. It suggests making small but significant tweaks or improvements in various aspects of life or work to achieve harmony or better performance. Understanding this phrase is crucial for two reasons. 1. Cultural knowledge. Music plays a vital role in English-speaking cultures. Knowing phrases related to music can enhance your cultural understanding and appreciation. 2. Metaphorical use. English is rich in metaphors. Grasping phrases like, adjust the tailpiece, enables you to understand and engage in more nuanced conversations. It's about refining, improving, and perfecting, whether talking about musical instruments or life strategies. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in both literal and metaphorical contexts. Literal. After replacing the strings, she took some time to adjust the tailpiece for better sound. Metaphorical. This project is nearly perfect, but we need to adjust the tailpiece a bit more to ensure our success. And that's a wrap on adjust the tailpiece. We've explored its meanings, importance, and how to use it effectively in conversation. Remember, learning English is like fine-tuning an instrument. It takes time, patience, and a bit of adjustment along the way. We hope this video helps you on your language learning journey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to adjust your tailpiece whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.